Introducing a new solution for 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic EXs and higher, the 99-7821B. Painted scratch-resistant matte black, the 7821 has our integrated 4.3-inch touchscreen for climate control and vehicle customization settings with 8 backlit buttons featuring over 250 color options. Start by removing the factory radio. Here, you will see that you'll be using the factory passenger airbag indicator in the 7821. Connections are made simple with the included harnesses and antenna adapters. It's as easy as plugging into the vehicle's harnessing and directly into the radio and installation kit. Please note that an additional purchase of the AX-SP-HN is required for factory amplified vehicles. For any more information on this product, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volts.